Estuan, I'll ask Secting also, no? Kasi sila yung nagsimula yung development from within DPWH. No? Unang-una, hindi baka maraming mawawala. Marami talagang mawawala dito. No? At the rate we're going, yung mga kasong pinafile natin at yung mga nadidiscover natin, talagang maraming mawawala. No? From top to bottom. No? So, kailangan maghanap tayo ng paraan para mapalitan yung mga mawawala ng mga matitino, masisipag, maayos. And I think that's very important. We need to start from within, as advised by SecPing and SecBabes, kasi marami naman talaga maayos dyan eh. At yun nga, yung mga programa na ginaunch nila nung panahon nila, kailangan ituloy yun. Pero of course, we need to also seek external help. Like yung suggestion ni SecBabes about getting external advisors, no, sa mga engineering companies na respetado sa buong bansa. So, importante din yun. But I think SecPing also, kasi yung Young Engineers Program, I think started with him.
No, it's with Secretary Estuan.
Secretary Estuan.
I inherited that.
Yeah.
And I continued it. Because that was one of the best features. Because they are the ones who inspect the quality of the projects before it is turned over to the PWH for payment. And if they find out that it is substandard, then the contractor who did it was compelled to fix it at his own expense.
So may plano, Secretary, na ibalik yung cadet program, yung engineering cadet program. Tama po ba?
Yes.
May planong gano'n?
Yes, definitely. Yun ang magandang in fact, i-announce ko na yan sa flag ceremony sa DPWH.